Hey everyone, it's Justin. Thank you for watching. In this video, I'm still talking about ServiceNow DevOps, but I want to pull back and talk about an earlier phase of DevOps, right? So when you're implementing this, you're probably going to do a crawl, walk, run approach. You're going to do your integrations, but not every team is ready for automated pipelines. And so you might still be working through your existing change processes. And what ServiceNow did in San Diego is they made it so that you could follow your existing change processes, but still get some of this DevOps data associated with your change requests. So notice on the change models, I actually have one here for DevOps, right? This is the different workflow or whatever that DevOps changes will follow. If I were to come in and create a change request and say, set the category to DevOps, let's go ahead and put some information in here too. Test change or demo change. We're going to demo a change to the world, and look above my head. I've got this button for Add DevOps Data. So your teams can come in and they can click this Add DevOps Data button, and then they can select the type of data they want to add. So I've got artifacts, release, or builds, and this is going to change what I can pick on this next dropdown. So I'm going to look at a release. I've got one set up for my San Diego showcase, of course. And if I hit next, now I get to go pick the different things that I might want to associate with this change request. This was happening automatically in my previous videos when we were using pipelines and automatically associated work items with a particular change request. But let's go ahead, I'm going to associate this particular work item, and let's go ahead and pick a couple of commits here too. We'll do this commit and this commit. We'll say, so this work item, or those commits are going to be associated with this particular change request. So I'm going to check the boxes again for those, and I'm going to click submit, and now those commits will be part of my change request, and everybody will be able to see those in the related list at the bottom of the record. So pretend I was a good change submitter and I filled out all of these fields perfectly with all the information I need, or I used a template, right? So if I wanted to apply a template, I could use one of those there. Let's do this demo change template that you see there at the bottom, and it'll automatically populate some stuff for me. Yeah, so I've got a nice little plan there, but the part that I wanted you to see, let me kill this here, and I'm going to save the change. Now that we've applied that template, associated those commits, I did the work items first, but actually associated commits, those are going to show up now when I save this request, when someone comes in here to review this change request. So if I look down here, I've got two fields, of course they're right behind my head, work items and commits, and if I click on those, I'd be able to see, well, there's my work items, and there's the commits that I was playing around with and associated with this particular change. And my head's in the way there, so you can see the commits, and we can see the work items showing up there. So that is new to San Diego. If someone did need to come in and say, hey, there's another commit or there's another work item we want to associate with this change request, they can come in, they can hit the edit button, do the same screens that I just showed you. But again, this is for those that aren't ready for those automated pipelines, the changes getting created and approved automatically. You can still follow your existing change process, create your changes, use your templates, and then associate your DevOps data with those particular changes, so you still have that insight and visibility when you're running through the change process of what is actually involved, what artifacts, what work items, what commits are associated with that particular change request from your dev teams. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, please subscribe, or share it with somebody who you think might be interested in ServiceNow DevOps. And until next time, don't forget to always be learning.